Hey guys, this is Connor Klein. Today we're going to be installing the vent atmosphere mod on the 2021 2.7 ecoboost. It's really easy to do. It doesn't take very long at all, and all it's going to do is just make more sound for the most part. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This will be a pretty quick video. Don't look at my license plate. Don't do it. Alright. So you just come down here under the front of the truck, see that there. Don't be confused by this guy. See, it's got some ridges here, just twist, off she goes. Alright, now I gotta unpackage this little thing. I got this thing on eBay for about $15. You can get some for about $10. I have seen people do it where they just remove the whole hose and put a clamp there on the end, up by the intake, but I didn't want to do that. Then it just pops in there and you're good to go there. Just because I don't want things flopping around or whatever, I'm gonna wrap a zip tie around here and then either zip tie it to this boot or try and zip tie it there. Let me do that and I'll just show you real fast. Alright guys, so while we're walking back, one of the reasons I like this mod is it's not really going to void your warranty because you can quickly switch it back to stock when you take it in for oil changes, which is a huge plus. That's one of the reasons I'm not going to get this thing tuned, because I don't want to risk the warranty of anything. So let me zip tie this up and then I'll show you that. Okay guys, so I want you to notice I zip tied it to the hose clamp piece, not around this tube, because when this tube gets filled with boost, it's going to expand, and I don't know, I don't want it to put extra pressure on this tube or anything. It's not super important, but it might snap the zip tie also. So I just wrapped it around that clamp there, and that'll just keep it from flapping in the wind. So now we're going to do a test drive and see what difference it makes. My temp gauge has started to move, so once we get on this stretch here, I'm gonna romp on it and then let off and see what happens. So here we go. Okay, you can hear it a little bit. It's not as audible as what I thought it would be. So it wasn't like a choo, you know, like a choo choo, like I was hoping. Used to have a Power Stroke, and that was cool when it made the choo choo noises. So let's see again here. Okay, that was louder. I think I was able to listen for it. That's cool. So okay, totally worth it. It's not like knock your socks off, like, wow, that's a bad mother trucker, you know. This is family friendly. Shoot. My fuel economy is going to go to crap. Okay. I'm curious as to what it sounds like on the outside. I guess I'm going to... Alright, I'm going to set this camera down somewhere and then drive past it and try and get the choo, you know. So let me turn around up here. There's a good spot for it. Bet you ain't ever seen a reverse blow-off valve demonstration. Can I get a like for that? Well, thanks for watching YouTube. Give me a like and a subscribe. I'm going to try and do some more F-150 videos and possibly some Toyota RAV4 videos. Thanks.